Hey, it's Marta here from Craftingnatura. Today you're gonna learn how to create a crop top and a skirt out of a dress. I'm using this denim dress that didn't fit me properly and had the zipper broken. Start by cutting it into pieces, having in mind the lengths that you want in the top and the bottom part. Later, we're gonna be adding 1 or 2 centimeters to the top and removing 1 or 2 from the bottom, so think about it before cutting. Starting with the skirt, fold the waist part and baste it. The zipper has been removed already and now the skirt needs to be closed in the front. Pin and sew. Now open the side seam to fit your zipper. Place the zipper and secure it with pins before sewing. Try the skirt and fix it adding 2 plaits at the back if needed. One trick for that, if you don't have any mannequin nor people around, is to try it inside out and using clothespins adjust to your body. Once out, do any adjustments needed to make it symmetrical. Pin, baste and sew. As I want it shorter, I'm removing a couple of centimeters from the bottom. To do the leg opening, unstitch the front side seam as much as you want. You can add these rings for a badass look. Follow the instructions of the brand you're using. And now with the crop top. Start by trying it on and adjusting it to your bust. It shouldn't overlap in the front. Now do some easy maths. In my case, I had 10 extra centimeters at the bottom and 8 at the top, so each plait should be 5 down and 4 up. Do the plaits where the seams were. Sew along it. Put the straps back in place. Remember these pants? Been pretty useful for several projects. Anyway, we will be cutting a long rectangle to cover the raw edges of our top. You can skip this if you have a bias or you have enough original fabric to hem. Use the iron to shape it. And now attach the bias, whatever, to the top. First, base the right side of the fabric and then fold. Do the same with the inner part of the crop top. Do something similar with the cleavage bias. Finally, add the rings for a matchy-matchy two-piece. And you're done! Enjoy the before and after!